Sarah planned her entire week in 47 seconds. Here's the exact prompt she used. Paste this into ChatGPT. It's free, no account needed to try. I have these tasks this week, list them. My work hours are X to Y. I have these fixed commitments, meetings, school pickup, whatever. Build me a realistic day-by-day schedule that protects time for focused work and doesn't burn me out. That's it. Paste your actual life into that template and hit send. What comes back isn't a generic to-do list. It's a structured plan. Specific time blocks built around your real constraints. AI for productivity works best when you treat it like a thinking partner, not a search engine. Give it context. Give it your actual chaos. It handles the logic of fitting everything together, which is honestly the part that eats up 45 minutes every Sunday night. And if this is the kind of thing you want more of, Stack Future drops one of these every day. Here's where most people stop short. They get the schedule, say cool, and close the tab. Don't do that. Push back on it. Tell the AI, this looks too packed on Tuesday, move something. Or, I have low energy after 3 p.m., rebuild the afternoons. It adjusts instantly. That back and forth is where AI time management actually earns its keep. You're not locked into the first draft. You can also tell it what kind of work each task involves. Deep focus stuff like writing or planning, ask it to schedule those in the morning. Emails, admin, easy replies, afternoon. The AI won't know your energy patterns unless you say so. Once you tell it, the plan it builds feels weirdly personal. Like someone actually thought about your week, not just slotted tasks into boxes. Your week doesn't have to start with a blank page and a vague sense of dread. One good prompt and a 2-minute back and forth and it's mapped out. That's not a trick, that's just using the tool right. Next up, how to use AI to clear your inbox in under 10 minutes. It's a good one. If this helped, tap the like. It genuinely helps more people find this stuff.